What the fuck is a secret ingredient? Do you know? Do you fucking know? Huh? You know, don't you? It's crab in it. Don't lie.
Remember this, guys. When you at the beach alone, it doesn't matter if it's a private beach. It just became one. It's all us right here. This is all us. At the top, it's just us.
Felt like the weight of the world was on my shoulders. Pressure to break or retreat at every turn. Facing the fear that the truth had discovered. No telling how all this will work.
Hey guys, I want to show you just how clear this water is. This water is unbelievably clear. I'm being brave now with my phone, guys, just because I really love you guys. Y'all gotta see this shit. Look at this. You can see straight through to the bottom. This is like so fucking clear. Like, look at this shit. I've never seen water this clear before, like in nature. Obviously in the bottle, glass, and/or bathtub, swimming pool type situation. But never in nature have I seen water this fucking glass clear. Damn, G. This shit is fucking unbelievable. I'm trying to stop cursing, and this makes it hard for me. Stuff like this. Man. Wish you guys were here with me.
2 hours later.
And some just bit the fuck out of me. But yeah. How y'all doing, good people? It's low-key time for me to do laundry. He gave me a brush. He was like, here go a brush for your laundry. I don't know what to do with it. Here, let me try something with it. I don't know. Y'all tell me if I'm using this wrong. I ain't want to ask him. When he goes, here go your brush. I was like, all right. You know, I didn't want to be like, and the brush is for. But we finna work it out right now, okay? Watch this shit. We finna brush these clothes, baby. Is that inside out? Nope. We gonna flip that. Damn, this better not be my Grubhub shirt. Oh, okay, cool. Jazz, I wanna still thank you for the Powered by Tofu shirt. If you want to send me another t-shirt to rock, I definitely will. This has been my favorite shirt for you. Oh, okay. Look at here. Look, nobody had to even tell me. I ain't have to ask because well, it's kind of like nothing else you could do with this motherfucker. I've washed clothes by hand my entire life. I ain't never brushed shit before. Will my shirt have waves? Will it be wrinkle-free after this brushing? They just sound good. I want to get that up close because that just sound, look at that. Oh, that's extra. That's dry laundry detergent. Okay, look at that. I hope that's just for like underarm areas and shit because I'm not gonna scrub every piece of my garment with this motherfucker, Joe. We gonna figure it out. Yeah. But my agitator in the washing machine does it for about 15 minutes. So I know that means you gotta agitate this shit for at least 15 minutes, I guess. Huh? You know, I just appreciate it. I just appreciate to be here, to be able to be here. I'm humbled. For some reason, the locals keep telling me I'm not like the usual tourists. They say they like me a lot. And they usually like all tourists still, but it's like some of them are more difficult. They say I'm more like a Jamaican because I'm just, I'm just with the flow. I'm not rushy. I'm not hurry up. You know what I mean? I'm not, ooh, can I get napkins all the time? That's a weird, like here, everything don't come with bags, baby, or napkins. They give you your food in aluminum foil, and that's it. So a lot of I guess a lot of tourists ask for, man, can I have a fork with this, bro? When I look around, I just, figure, since my time in the military, I learned just whenever you go somewhere, be like the locals, for real. Like when in Rome, do what the Romans do. When you look around and you see some people grabbing this with their fingers, you grab it with your fucking fingers, unless you got some dirty ass hands and you know what you've been doing. That's different. You need to work on yourself, baby. And if your hands are dirty, wash them motherfuckers and then get to eating. And wash them when you're done. You see how simple that is? I don't know. I guess because they have a trash issue here, that they don't have a lot of they don't do a lot of I'm gonna phrase it, they try not to make a lot of excess trash. That's what it is. They try not to make excessive trash. Because somebody's gonna end up having to burn it. It seems like in certain places, which they still understand is still bad for the environment. But what are you gonna do with the trash? Just leave it sitting around? So, you can't throw it into the ocean. And it's nobody's fault. It's just because they live on an island. That's a big island when you're on it, but it's small in comparison to the world. So you gotta, I don't know, people judge places based on the infrastructure of their own home. So if you go to visit any place, what you do is you don't go there looking for little America or little Canada, little London, wherever the hell you're from. You go looking to experience that place and understand their culture and why they live the way they live. There's a perfectly good reason for almost every single thing. There's nothing weird. Everything has a purpose. Everything has a logical beginning for the most part. I swear there's probably I could think of a few, what's the word I'm looking for? A few exemptions from that, but still. Oh, there's an exemption to every rule. An exception to every, hey baby, hey you. Got a local dog I've been nice to. She is really cute and really sweet. But she only comes around me when she's hungry. And notice I said she, and she only comes around when she's hungry. I'm not trying to attack women. I'm just saying. You can't just avoid doing something you really want to do in this world because there's some difficulty to it. Like some people go to college still for some reason. And you know what? That's difficulty. And to get what they want, they have to work hard. Trust me. I'm a college graduate, and don't get me wrong, I feel like it was a waste of time in my life because I personally chose to never do anything that involved any of the degrees, because once I learned what I was doing, it's like I didn't like it. But what I do like is this. I like to travel. I like freedom. I like to wake up and do exactly what I please. And that's the point of this. That's the point, to not be a slave, man. I'm out here. Who knows where I'm going to go next? Where do you think I should go next? I'm only going to be here for about 3 months, 3 to 4 months. Who knows? Could stay longer. I could leave early. It really all depends on what goes on with you guys. Tell me where you want me to go. Hell, tell me what you want me to do while I'm here. That's the point of me putting this on the YouTube anyway. I'm putting this on like a public forum is because I want you to interact with me. I want you to tell me where you want to see, and that's where I'm gonna go. I know where I want to go, and I'm definitely gonna go there. So that's that's neither here nor there. I definitely got to get my hands on Southeast Asia. But while I'm over here, close to home, I still want to do Peru, Brazil, Guatemala. Never been to Mexico. You know? How many of you watching this right now have never even been out of your own city, really? You've never been out of your own state. If you're from Chicago and you have been out of your state, if it's just to Cincinnati or Iowa or somewhere in Iowa, it doesn't count. Ohio and Iowa don't count to me. They're like cousins. But even still, you know what? No, I'll take that back. Even still, you went somewhere. Even going to Galesburg from Chicago, you get my respect for that. But you gotta go somewhere. You gotta do something. You can't just stay in the nest forever. People fight each other and kill people that look just like them every day over blocks and corners when there's an entire world that's made up of many blocks and corners. But you're just gonna fight over yours. This is my I pissed on this tree. This is my tree, baby. Alright, you can have that tree. I'll go find a forest that nobody knows about. And you can have your tree. Remember something I'm trying to teach a lot of my friends in real life is not to fight a battle unless there's something to gain. Why argue with somebody? Why sit there and fight for pride? You know what I mean? That's a dumb reason for me to fight. People die in fights all the time. If I'm gonna fight, it's because I have something to gain, or because I had something to lose, and I want to protect that. But if all I have to lose is a little bit of ego, well, maybe you should have lost that a long time ago anyway. Because what the next person who doesn't control the air you breathe thinks about you doesn't matter. And if more people thought like this, then they would probably stop spending so much money on freaking clothes and stuff, and they'd be traveling the world. They'd have enough money for that car they want, which is still something weird, because you ask yourself, why do you want that car? Is it to impress fake friends that are only gonna like it the first couple times you pull up in it? And then it goes from being that dope ass car to just being your car?
Looking for freedom, looking for